Right, I can see you, but I don't hear you. I'm in the corner here. Well, very warm welcome to our 40th birthday party. Yeah? Who would have said that we would have made 40 years ago, right? What they mentioned is being a hectic growth over the last few years. We are looking at the age of technology. We are talking about ChatGPT. We are talking about AI. We are talking about digital world. We're talking about omni-channel. But the essence of our growth now, in the past, and I'm sure in the future, there is only one success factor, and this is what I always tell the management team. And this is the 1,800 people that... I promise I'm not going to talk about sales. I'm not going to talk about turnover.
Guys, whoever is sitting outside, we have a coverage outside. So I'm just telling the people who are sitting inside to go to the right side. Guys, whoever is sitting outside, stay outside. We have coverage both ways.